Is Bull afraid of fire?
Hey, can you deliver the grapes for me?
I only have a bullock cart.
It's okay.
Yes, sir. Grapes are transferred from tractor trucks to carts.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. The road has many potholes and many fires. The bullock cart is coming. It's not okay. The fire is red. I have to cover all Bull's eyes immediately. The cart continues to cross, but the smoke is thick. The road is full of holes, and the bull is staggered and fell.
I'm sorry.
Hi, there's a fire here.
Huh?
Okay. I need a truck of sand to fix the road. At the fire station, the Hulk's fire truck starts.
Okay. Let's go.
At the same time, Mario's truck of sand is also ready to go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, yes!
On that road, the vehicles do their duties.
Thank you.
Wow, a new flat and clean road. Come on, let me help you. That's great. Ha!
Aha!
Let's go! Finally, the grapes are brought safely to the store. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.
근데 여기 일일까? Hey, let go!
Okay.
근데 여기 일일까?
Oh no! Wait. Okay.
근데 여기 일일까? 근데 여기 일일까? 근데 여기 일일까?
The next day.
Wow! Yeah!
there you go.
Oh, hello.
Help me!
Okay.
Hey, nanti banyak tak bayarnya. Oh, hello.
Oh there you go.
Goodbye. Oh, hello. Goodbye.
Unlucky thief. Hello, Luigi. Can I help you? Mario wants to press soybeans to get oil. Luigi begins his work. The manual oil press takes Luigi a lot of effort, but it's also effective. Continues with the second batch of soybeans. Just pour soybeans into the machine. Lets Luigi do it. It's so hard for you, Luigi. Nearby, a thief is lurking.
Oh!
Oh, why have you fallen? Very quickly, the thief approached the tractor. Mario and Luigi still don't know anything. The thief turns on the engine and speeds away. Mario is surprised. Thief! Catch the thief! Hurry up!
Go!
Two tractors chase each other. The trunk falls out. No problem. The chase continues.
No.
Coming to a road full of rocks. The car breaks down. The oil is spilled. Mario catches up with the thief, but all the oil is spilled. I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you. Now has to tow the tractor. I want to press Soybean Mario, and he's the one paying. Okay, a modern oil pressing machine. Let's see how it works. It uses diesel oil, not human power. The fuel is full. The preparation stage is also complete. This step is to start the machine. Whoa, the machine has just peeled the soybean shell. Just press the oil. Finish the first batch of soybeans. Continues with the second batch of soybeans. Done. Thank you. Bye-bye. Back to Luigi. Here you are. Thanks, Mario. Bye-bye.
2,000 years later.
Okay.
Thousand years later.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, let's go. Wait. Let's go.
the most honest one. Which watermelon is the most beautiful? The princess wants to find out who can grow the biggest and most beautiful watermelon. That person will be the prince. The current tough competitor is Mario, with the biggest and most beautiful watermelon at the moment.
What's going on? Wow, that's really beautiful.
There's no watermelon bigger than mine.
I will definitely win.
Luigi quickly returns home and plans to grow a watermelon. Organic fruit. Organic fruits are available here, including various seeds and fertilizers.
Hello. Hello, boss. I want to buy the best watermelon seeds.
Thank you. Good luck.
Bye.
Luigi excitedly brings the seeds home. Luigi clears the flower garden. It seems Luigi wants to make space to grow watermelons. The big and beautiful watermelon seeds are sown into the soil. That's right, water is essential. Luigi is full of hope.
Several days later.
The rooster crows, and Luigi hastily runs out to check the watermelon garden. Oh no! There's not a single watermelon.
It can't be. Why is that?
Aha!
Where is Luigi going?
Hello? I don't see any watermelons.
Let me show you this way.
Oh.
Hey!
Growth hormone for plants?
Hey, let go!
Is Luigi cheating? Luigi quickly starts sprinkling the growth hormone on the watermelon, making it grow quickly. Wow, it's unbelievable!
Yeah.
To ensure victory,
Luigi continues to sprinkle the growth hormone, making the watermelon grow as fast as lightning.
Luigi watermelon surpasses Mario's in size. But there's something wrong. The watermelon keeps growing and then boom! Oh no!
Luigi, did you cheat?
I...
The princess is extremely angry and walks away. Luigi is sad, thinking about something.
Oh, well.
Luigi is determined to grow another watermelon. This time, Luigi will be honest, right? What is Luigi doing? The watermelon is pulled into a square box.
I will definitely not let the princess down again.
Even though it's night, Luigi,
Huh?
the watermelon remains the same.
No.
Maybe. The watermelon needs more light.
Great! Luigi uses the car headlight to provide light for the photosynthesis of the plant.
One day later.
Wow, a square watermelon! That's really unique!
Hey, let go!
Now it's time to find the princess. At the castle, the princess sighed sadly.
Hey!
Is it Luigi?
Hello, princess.
What's going on now?
This is for the princess.
Is it at Luigi's house?
Luigi, I want to borrow your pencil drill. Okay, sure.
Let's go!
Thank you, Luigi. No problem.
Do they want to fill a path through the water pipe? Half of the task is done. Water pipe of friendship. Whoa! Mario's world. Is Mario planning to pick mushrooms? Which mushroom will Mario choose? Oh, does Mario know that the beautiful mushrooms can be poisonous? Oh no!
What's happening to me?
Oh my! Mario turned into a giant.
Oh no! What should I do?
His steps are heavy. Mario can control his giant body. The water pipe is thrown away.
Oh no!
Be careful with the mushroom. Oops!
Oh heavens! What have I done?
In the real world, the water pipe falls, and the poisonous mushroom. Is something big is about to happen? A giant water pipe blocks the way.
Oh, it's over.
Mario jumps down after it. Hawk's truck is coming. I wonder how Hawk will handle this.
What's this?
Oh!
Who are you? What's going on like this?
Mario tells the story to Hawk.
Unbelievable!
A shovel? Mario uses a shovel as a ladder to lift the water pipe.
Sorry, I can't. My friend, I need your help.
The excavator is here. Perhaps it can help.
Can you help me move this water pipe? Okay, I'll try.
The first time, the water pipe doesn't budge. Again, it shakes a bit. Like this. The excavator still can't topple the water pipe.
Aw, I tried my best.
Goodbye.
What should we do now?
Aha!
Hold on tight.
Where is Hawk taking Mario? To the supermarket?
Do you have something that can turn a big pipe into a small one? There's one thing. Very secret.
Whoa!
Thank you so much. Keep it as a secret. Agreed.
The two return to the water pipe. Mario, don't be clumsy. Oh no! It's done. All the powder spilled. Surprise yet? Mario has shrunk back. But the medicine is all gone.
Do you have more medicine?
I only have one box.
Aha!
Oh, where is Mario going? Is it at Luigi's house?
Mario, what's going on? Luigi, I want to borrow your pencil drill. Okay, sure.
Whoa, very impressive.
Let's go. Thank you, Luigi. No problem.
Now, let's see how the pencil drill works. Do they want to drill a path through the water pipe? Half of the task is done. squeak open. Well done, Mario.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
See you again, my friend. Thank you, Mario.
So Hawk gained a new friend, Mario.